Hi everyone. When they sniff around, they make the cutest little. Trying to see. Yeah. Isn't she cute? She makes little sniffing noises. Little sniffing noises. Huh? You making little sniffing noises? Hey. Hi. She loves their nose. See, they have the split in the nose so that if when they're drinking juice or nectar in a flower or whatever, like juice from a fruit, it doesn't go in their nose. It's like a little siphon.